And hello everybody again, it's Shenell here from Angelic Interior Designs, and today I'm just going to show you a quick video on how to recover your books. If you don't want to look at the regular book cover that comes with the books, this is an option that you can use as well to make it more aesthetically pleasing to the eye and more calming, where you don't see all the different colors and just the different writing and the titles and everything that are on the original covers for the books. And it just can offer up a different way to add the colors from your room decor. Okay, and there's a few simple items here. Of course, you need some paper to cover it with, and your scissors, pencil, and some tape. And on this particular paper, it has a lot of the lines already measured out for you. And I got this from Hobby Lobby, and it's the brother and sister brand that is made for Hobby Lobby. And it is just a brown color here that I got, and you can use white, red, whatever color you desire. And I use this because it matches the decor that is in my room, and it is a somewhat of a calming, soothing color, very neutral and natural in its color and texture. And of course here you see I'll just measure the book, flipping it from one side to the other, and the lines definitely help. Cutting it out after measuring it, and you also want to cut it slightly bigger from top to bottom, and also leaving excess on each side, as you can see that will come up in the video shortly. Then you place your book on here, remeasure again, and make sure you got it properly measured, top to bottom, with the excess, as you can see. And then what we're going to do is just kind of smooth out the edges to get a line, as you see there. And then you'll fold along that line like you did back in the day, way back in school when we had our textbooks, remember? And we had the book covers that used to come with them. And also they had them in the store, and you can go purchase pretty ones as well. Well, this is our way of purchasing them all over again and making them yourself. Smooth around the edges once again, making sure that all the edges are flush from the bottom to the top. Making the alterations that need to be made after measuring. And you continue to place your book on and make sure you got it correctly. Correct. And then you're going to fold over the sides and use your tape to hold it down. And just some simple scotch tape will do. A small piece, just to adhere it to the sides. And you want to be careful here not to use too much excessive tape or too heavy of a tape, because if you one day decide you don't want these books anymore, you can always take them to, of course, bookstores and resell them back, like the half-price bookstore. Just folding it over, taping it down to secure it so that it doesn't move when you pick up your book and you're using it, reading it, studying it. And there you have it, the covered book. And I'll just continue to work. As you can see, coming up, I have a lot of books to cover. Excuse me. Yeah, quite a few. This isn't half of them. Yeah, it's a lot. I love my books, y'all. I love to read. And here's the finished product, and I'll show you in another upcoming video how I actually style these bookshelves. But for this video, I'm just showing you how I place them on here, and I use a simple little pen, oil-based writing pen, and you can just write on the spine of your book. You can also print them off from your printer if you would like to do that. Me, I just wanted to write them on there. Thank you for watching. This has been Shenell here from Angelic Interior Designs. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment, and definitely like